Hi fellow mama, Emily here with Experienced Mommy, and today I'm talking to you about how to tie or how to put on a stretchy wrap with your baby. So let's go ahead and get into it. This is a boba wrap. It's a stretchy knit fabric. Here are the steps of how to put your baby in a boba wrap with the pocket cross carry. First, find the center of the wrap that is indicated by the tag. Place the center right on your chest. Bring the wrap behind you in a flat X. Then bring each tail of the wrap flat and spread over your shoulders, kind of like angel wings. Now there are two tails and one center panel. You may have to adjust some of the fabric so that it all lays flat. Thread both tails of the wrap through the center panel. Use your hands and pull to get the slack out of your wrap so it's more like a tight t-shirt. The wrap should be quite snug, so take each tail and cross it where you want the baby to sit. Newborns should sit at your belly button or even maybe higher for a smaller, tiny little baby, but pull each side of the wrap around you to the back to tie it off. For me, I always like to bring it back to the front because I always end up having extra slack. So if you have a lot of extra slack, pull it to the front and tie a knot. Again, you always want to make sure that the fabric is tight, not uncomfortable to the point where you can't breathe, but you definitely want it snug enough that your baby isn't going to fall out. Then you will pull the front panel down and start with the baby high over your shoulder. Spread the innermost fabric cross and stretch it around the baby's leg and spread it around their body from knee to knee so they are completely supported. Then shift the baby's weight to the other side and do the same thing on the opposite side, just spreading the fabric over the baby. Then stretch the center panel over the baby as well. So bringing it from the bottom all the way to the top, closer to the back of their neck. That will give that nice lateral support from side to side so they hardly can move. So this is really great, especially for newborns, but even as my babies have continued to get bigger, it's nice to just have that lateral support so as I'm constantly moving, they're not moving and being jolted around and their head isn't moving like a bobblehead. Calvin is a little bit too big for the newborn carry, but this wrap, because it's stretchy and it has the material and it's really lightweight, I can tie it to still fit him, and I still can use this wrap to make dinner and things like that I need two hands free. To take the baby out of the wrap, just reverse the steps. That's what is so nice about the boba wrap, is that you don't have to continue to take it on, take it off. You may have to adjust a little bit the knot just to make it tighter, but you can just take the baby out, put the baby right back in. So those are the steps of how to put on your boba wrap. If you have any further questions, let me know in the comments below. If not, have a super rest of your day, guys. Mama out.